Drizzle. Drizzle honey over the pancakes. He drizzled olive oil on the salad. Flip. Flip the pancake after a minute. She flipped the burger on the grill. Poach. Poach the eggs for breakfast. He poached the fish in white wine. Sprinkle. Sprinkle salt over the salad. She sprinkled powdered sugar on the cake. Bake. I will bake a cake for the party. She baked cookies for her kids. Boil. Boil the water before adding the pasta. The soup is boiling on the stove. Chop. Chop the onions into small pieces. He chopped the carrots quickly. Slice. Slice the bread evenly. She sliced the cucumber thinly. Grill. Grill the chicken until it's golden brown. We grilled vegetables for dinner. Fry. Fry the eggs until the edges are crispy. She fried the fish in olive oil. Simmer. Simmer the sauce for 20 minutes. The soup needs to simmer until it thickens. Roast. Roast the potatoes with garlic and rosemary. They roasted a turkey for Thanksgiving. Steam. Steam the broccoli for 5 minutes. The rice is steaming on the stove. Mix. Mix the flour with the sugar. She mixed the batter thoroughly. Stir. Stir the soup occasionally to avoid burning. He stirred the coffee with a spoon. Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they're fluffy. She whisked the cream to make frosting. Peel. Peel the apples for the pie. He peeled the potatoes with a knife. Mash. Mash the potatoes until smooth. She mashed the bananas for the cake. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta. He grated the ginger for the tea. Pour. Pour the milk into the bowl. She poured the batter into the pan. Spread. Spread butter on the toast. He spread the jam evenly on the bread. Roll. Roll the dough into a circle. He rolled the sushi tightly. Sift. Sift the flour before adding it. She sifted powdered sugar on top of the cake. Knead. Knead the dough until it's soft. He kneaded the bread for 10 minutes. Beat. Beat the eggs with a fork. She beat the mixture until smooth. Toast. Toast the bread lightly. He toasted the almonds for the salad. Carve. Carve the turkey into slices. She carved the roast beef with a sharp knife. Marinate. Marinate the chicken overnight. He marinated the beef in soy sauce. Coat. Coat the chicken in breadcrumbs. She coated the fish with flour. Dip. Dip the strawberries in chocolate. He dipped the French fries in ketchup. Brush. Brush the pastry with egg wash. She brushed oil on the vegetables before grilling. Season. Season the meat with salt and pepper. He seasoned the soup with fresh herbs. Sear. Sear the steak on high heat. She seared the scallops in butter. Dice. Dice the tomatoes into small cubes. He diced the onions finely. Blanch. Blanch the spinach before sautéing it. She blanched the tomatoes to remove the skin. Zest. Zest the lemon for extra flavor. She zested an orange into the batter. Crush. Crush the garlic with a knife. He crushed the crackers for the crust. Freeze. Freeze the berries for later use. She froze the leftovers for next week. Defrost. Defrost the chicken before cooking. He defrosted the frozen vegetables. Measure. Measure the sugar carefully. She measured the flour with a cup. Chill. Chill the dough for 30 minutes. He chilled the salad before serving. Blend. Blend the smoothie until smooth. She blended the soup into a puree. Melt. Melt the butter in a pan. He melted the chocolate for the cake. Cool. Cool the cookies before eating. She cooled the pie on a rack. Sauté. Sauté the onions until golden. He sautéed the mushrooms in butter. Baste. Baste the turkey with juices. She basted the roast every 20 minutes. Crack. Crack the eggs into the bowl. He cracked the shells gently. Stuff. Stuff the peppers with rice. She stuffed the turkey with herbs. Glaze. Glaze the donuts with sugar icing. She glazed the ham with honey.